Hi friends, this is Azim and we are learning PHP. Now I am going to tell you about the data types in PHP. So in PHP, variables can store data of different types and different data types can do different things in PHP. PHP supports the following data types like string, integer, float, boolean, arrays, object, null and resources. So we are going to start with the string in this video, that what is a string value and data type. So I will write my code in the existent PHP tags. So let's try to add data. So first of all I will make a variable with name and I will assign the value Azim to it. So now I will duplicate this line and I will make another variable which is love, $love, and I will assign the value of I love PHP. So I have assigned the value I love PHP to variable $love. I will use echo statement and I will put the name of variable first. Now I will use echo statement again and in double commas I will put the break tag here. So again I will echo the other variable which is $love, control S to save, and I will go to browser to see its data type. So you can see these are our lines and this is our string. A string is a sequence of character like love, which is Azim, and I love PHP, and a string can be any text inside codes. You can use single or double quotes for string. In this example, $name and $love are two string and the PHP echo function will return the value of these two variables. So now go to integer data type. So an integer data type is a non-decimal number. So there are some rules for integers. So the first rule is for integer is an integer must have at least one digit, and integer must not have a decimal point in it. An integer can be either positive or negative. Integers can be specified in three formats like decimal 10 based, hexadecimal 16 based, prefixed with 0x, and octal 8 based prefixed with 0. So in the following example we will use the integer and the PHP var dump function returns the data type and the value of this integer. So the next thing is about the float. A floating point number is a number with a decimal point or a number in exponential form. So in the following example, $x, which is a variable, $x is a float variable, and the PHP var dump function returns the data type and the value of this integer. You can see in the browser it is showing the value of this variable, that it is a float variable and the value is in under this brackets. So an array stores multiple values in one single variable. So we are going to use this function. So let's go to coding and I will write my code in the following tags. I will make a variable with name and I will save it in an array. So I am making a variable, and in an array I am saving my all the informations, because arrays can store multiple data in a single argument, in a single array. So what function will use, and I will put the name of my variable, so it will return the values and data types of my array. So you can see here that first is my string and the other is integer, and the third one is float data type. So array can return the value and data types. So that's it for the data types, and I will see you in the next lecture.